Okay, do you have a laundry cam? This might be a first, but welcome to my laundry cam and this really genius doorknob. So, okay, I have my full laundry basket. I can't reach the doorknob to turn it, so I'm just going to pop it open with my laundry basket. In I go. Laundry success. And on the other side, the kids always have fun with this, but it's practical too. I don't have to turn it, although I can. I can just pop it open. And it has very quiet features, which is good for laying down a baby. Very quiet. Or as simple as pushing it open.